Hello students, today we are going to discuss about nerve tissue or nerve tissue. Nerve tissue or nerve system in organization of tissue. Page number 290. See, why this called tissue? You know that tissue means the presence of the cells. All cells are present in similar. Similar, perform the functions also in similar. So the group of the cell, which group of the cells that are involved in similar functions, that group cell is called tissue. Yes or no? See, the nerve tissue or nerve system is composed neuron or nerve cell. Neuron or nerve cell. Neuron or nerve cells. See, what is the main function of the nerve cell or neuron? This neuron cells is composed, nerve tissue or system is composed in so many number of nerve cells or neuron. Just imagine, now you are doing the exam hall. Now you are thinking, at the same time you are writing that answer. That means whenever you see the question paper, that time you are thinking which questions you want to attend or which questions answer you know clearly. That question you are writing first. See, that answers you are thinking in yourself. That means your brain thinking at the same time you are writing. How is possible? Because of that information carrying from one place to another place. That means that coordination, that signal getting from production part to reaction. So which place the production? That means the brain you are thinking. You are writing your fingers. That's an action part. So how that information or how that signal carrying from one cell to another or one place to other parts of the body. That is nerves. That functions involved in nerves. Why that nerve cells that involved that function means, before that we want to know what are the consisting parts in nerve cells. Nerve cells are having so many parts, but mainly consisting part in 3 parts. What are that? First one, cell body. And second one, dendron. Dendron or dendrites. And third one, axon. These 3 consisting parts of the nerve cells. See, this you write, you change and write. You hardly write, no problem. This time only want to write means that that's not necessary. You take and write them first in axon or the dendrites or cell body like that. That's your wishes. But these 3 parts, the consisting parts of the nerve system. See, what are the main functions that are involved in cell body? What is the usage of the dendrites? What are the functions of the involved in axon? See, the cell body, you know, whenever you see the diagram, that can be easily identified. The cell body means this is the irregular shape. Yes or no? Irregular or polygonal shape. That's not having a regular shape. And the cell body, presence of the circle structure, this is the cell body. The cell body inside having some dots in red color dots. The dots initiate in cytoplasm. So the cell body contains cytoplasm. So this is called cytosol. So this is called cytosol. Cell body containing cytoplasm. That means the protoplasm. And this cytoplasm itself the present in nucleus. This is the nucleus. Nucleus where present inside the cytoplasm in cell body. The nucleus that present. Just you have write, cell body means that is a irregular shape. That is a irregular shape. The cell body containing cytoplasm, so that is called cyton. The cytoplasm itself that present in some inner organelles. That inner organelles means maybe the present in like that here and there. Inner organelles that present. But nucleus also the present in inside of the cytoplasm. Here the inner organelles, the group of the organelles. Some diagrams that are mentioned in like that. This is the group of organelles. That is the involved ribosome. That means the group of organelles that are involved in protein synthesis. protein synthesis. Why you want to synthesis that protein means because of that message that present in protein itself. That you've broken that protein, which message that present in itself, you easily identify. You easily find out. This is the function of cell body. And then dendrites. Dendrites means they are present in out of the cell body. Out of the cell body, you see they are present in this. This is a dendrites. This dendron or dendrites very shorter. Very shorter. This is not having large length. See, the axon are having large size, but the dendrites is not present. Dendron is not present. This is very shorter. At the same time, they are divided in continuously. They are divided in continuously. They are present in the branches. See how many branches they are present. So like that, they are divided in rapidly. So what is that main function? This the dendrites or dendron means that message receiving that stimuli. Receiving that stimuli. That means impulse. Where present that impulse, that to receive that signal. அப்போ ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, you playing now. இப்போ விளையாடுறன்னு வச்சுங்க. அப்போ ஏதோ அடிபட்டுடுச்சு. எந்த இடத்துலயோ அடிபட்டுடுச்சு. Just a small injury. That pain want to feel. That pain want to feel. அப்போ நமக்கு அத புத்துன உடனே நம்ம வலிக்குது அப்படி நம்ம சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, ஒரு சில எமோஷனல். அது எதனால ஆனது அப்படின்னா because of the presence of the nerve cells. That nerve cells that carrying that stimuli from injured place. எங்க அடிபட்டதோ அங்கிருந்து they are directly connected to the brain. So you suddenly thinking, ஆமா இங்க வலிக்குது, நம்ம டாக்டர் கிட்ட போகணும். So you thinking டாக்டர் கிட்ட போகணும், இல்ல அங்கிருந்து நகர்ந்து நிக்கணும். Like that you make them some solution. That functions that involved in dendrites. What is that main functions? The dendrites. The dendrites they are receiving electrical impulse through from receptor organ to cytosol. Receptor organ means what? Maybe the affected place, maybe the present in receptor organ. In the receptor organs அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. இங்க இருந்து அது என்ன பண்ணும்னா எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் இம்பல்ஸை ரிசீவ் பண்ணிக்கும். ரிசீவ் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணும்? This electrical impulse they receive from receptor organ to through passing cyton. That means cytoplasm inside of the cell body. இங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? கேரி பண்ணிடுவாங்க. இந்த கேரி பண்றவங்க மட்டும் தான். That functions only the involved in dendrites. So what is the main function means the electrical impulse they carrying from receptor organ to through pass cyton. That is dendrites. And then finally axon. Axon, that is the elongation part. That is the elongated in cylindrical structure. This axon is rising from the cell body. From the cell body, you see the cell body out of the surface. Any one dendrites will extend that structure. This long structure that is called axon. So axon means that is arising from the cell body, very large size. Very large size. End of the axon. This is the end of the axon that present in terminal branches. Terminal branches are terminal ending. The terminal branches are terminal ending. And this axon is covered. This axon is covered. Covered means what? This axon that present means want to surround the layer, protective layer or covering layer, like that. So this axon covered in myelin sheath. This is the myelin sheath. So which layer covered in axon means just what to write? Myelin sheath. At the same time, that myelin sheath they are covering that neuron means or nerves means that is called white matter, white neuron or gray neuron or medullary neuron. They are having three names. What are the medullary? Medullary, gray, white. Covered means white. White and the myelinated. They are mentioned in myelin. So when axon are covered in myelin sheath means that axon or the nerves is called in medullary neuron or white neuron or myelinated neuron. And then some places is not covered that myelin sheath. That means here the light tone is not covered means that is called in gray matter neuron. Gray matter neuron are non-modulated, non-myelinated. That is, and the myelin sheath are covered in axon, but in between the left some gap. Left in some gap. This is this gap. This gap is called in nodes of Renway. Nodes of Renway. And then this myelin sheath also they are composed in some specialized cell. What cell or which cell means that is Schwann cell. That is Schwann cell. And then what is the main function of the axon? Here already you know the electrical impulse is receiving from dendrites through passing cytosol. So the dendrites involved in receiving function. Receiving function. This entire nerve cells that are involved in two functions only. One receiving and then exposing. Exposing means what? Transmit. So the axon involved in transmit. Transmit. Now here already you know the electrical impulse the receiving from respective organ to the responsible the dendrites. They enter inside of the cell body. Here the stored. That is electrical impulse. That electrical impulse now the through passing the axon. How that will pass means because of here presence of the cytoplasm. That cytoplasm enter in inside of the axon. So axon itself they enter the cytoplasm means that is called axoplasm. Why this called axoplasm? Because of the axon itself the present in cytoplasm. So this is called axoplasm. And then here enter that now the presence of the chemical substance. The chemical substance is neurotransmitter. The neurotransmitters the responsibility. Now here presence of the electrical impulse they are converted to the chemical substance. The chemical substance is neurotransmitter. The chemical substance only they exposing from axon to other cell. From axon to other cell. The responsibility of the cells that are present, that is the ending part of the terminal branches. That is synaptic conduct. That synaptic conduct filled in chemical substance, that is neurotransmitter. That is neurotransmitter. See, actually, you know, this is a one single cell, the single nerve cells. Just imagine now the present in like that. Because of the nerve cells is the longest cell in our body. Nerve cells is longest cell in our body. Longest cell means it's not having maximum length. It's not a maximum length, but compare the other cells of our body, this nerve cells is a large one. See, this is the nerve system. Nerve system means they are composed in what are the cells? Nerve cells are neuron. See, here the present in one cell and like that will compose. Because of this much of the length is not present. Just imagine this is the brain. This a hand. Here thinking in some information already you know that one want to expose through the hand. See, this much of the length is not covered in single nerve cells, but the connected in neuron tissues or neuron system. That system is composed in so many number of nerve cells. So the each nerve cells is connected in like that. So each nerve cells makes the consisting part in three parts that are present. So just imagine this is the first cell, second cell, 3 and 4 and 5. Just imagine. So this distance is filled in 5 cells. That 5 nerve cells will compose a nerve system. That each nerve cells are present in 3 constitutive parts. The first one dendrites are present and cell body and then axon. Whenever you are writing that time only you want to write in change and write. But sequence you want to present in first dendrites and then cell body and axon. That's the reason I am writing like this. And then first a dendron. See, dendron or dendrites. See, this they receive that informations. That means the electrical impulse will receive. This receive through pass the cyton. Cyton itself will pass in axon. And here present in one more nerve cells. The each nerve cells that present in the same dendrite, cell body, axon, dendrite, cell body, axon, dendrite, cell body, axon, dendrite, cell body and axon. You see, the starting point is dendrites because of that's the main responsibility of the receiving that electrical impulse. That impulse are stimuli that receiving and then through passing in one cell that acts on and again will connected to the dendrites. So here the dendrites itself receive that information means the same informations that converted to the chemical substance. That chemical substance want to expose from the axon. அப்போ இந்த நர்வ் செல்ஸ்னுடைய நுனிப்பகுதி முதல் பகுதி டென்ட்ரைட்ஸ் ஆனது ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை ரிசீவ் பண்ணிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா அடுத்த செல்லுக்கு எதன் மூலமா பாஸ் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா the same nerve cellsல கடைசி பகுதியா இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆக்சன் மூலமா எக்ஸ்போஸ் பண்ணும். Why here exposing means because of next nerve cells the starting point is dendrites. So this axon and dendrites will connecting. Yeah, that's a synapse. See here that present in axon. This dendrites. Axon, dendrites, axon and dendrites, axon and dendrites. Finally in axon. So here which information through passing from here to there. So like that the connected the cells will passing in continuously. You see the end of the nerve cells the presence of the responsibility hormone. This way will expose the character. This way will expose the character. In case this imaginations you feel in writing exam means you are thinking which word want to write. Which word want to write. That word you are writing with the help of the hand. How that writing the same letters or same word means because of the responsibility in connective tissue. So that's the reason that nerve tissue is always called in connective tissue. Because of the connectivity present in one cell to another cell. At the same time the nerve cells they are having some types. 5 types nerve cells they are present. What are the types? How many types they are present in? 5 types. It's not having your text. You take inch. See the first one. First one. See the before that you know bipolar, monopolar and multipolar. Unipolar, bipolar and multipolar. I am writing here unipolar. And second one bipolar. Third one multipolar. And fourth one white neuron. And fifth one gray. See the white neuron and gray neuron having in some other names. What are that? They are mentioned. You're right. See, so how many types of nerve cells are present? Anyone asking me? Just you are writing 5 types. What are the unipolar, bipolar, multipolar, white neuron and gray neuron? Unipolar were present. This is the embryo stage. Embryo stage or embryonic stage. And bipolar the present in sensitive hormones. Sensitive hormones means the eye, nose, mouth, not mouth, and then here sensitive hormone. Multipolar the present in cerebellum, brain itself, cerebellum. White matter also the present in cerebellum. The gray matter present in cerebellum. This is the type of nerve tissues or the what are the type of nerve cells that are present. See, let us quickly revise nerve tissue. Nerve tissue is a connective tissue. This cells is composed in nerve cells or neuron. And the structurally functionally unit of the nerve system or nerve tissue means just you have to write nerve cells or neuron cells. And then the elongated and cylinder like neuron consists of the cell body. The neuron consists in cell body, dendron and axon. Axons are present in elongated structure. Dendrites are present in out of the body. Cell body present in irregular shape. Okay, so the dendrites is what is the main function? Receiving electrical impulse. Axon, what is the main function? Exposing that chemical substance. That chemical substance neurotransmitter. and cell body itself the present in cytoplasm, so that is called a cytosol, and then the present in nucleus. Axon itself present in cytoplasm means that is called axoplasm. Axon is enclosed in myelin sheath. This myelin sheath is not fulfilled in or is not covering in axon. Some place there are some left gap, some gap that present. That gap is called a nodes of Røntgen. Okay, thank you.